What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. I'm back. It's been over 90 days right now. I haven't made a video, but we're back. There's a lot going on between um, changing the deployment, and that's what I'm making this video about. We changed the deployment from click once application that Windows not going back to that, and it has caused us so many problems. Every once in a while, the application cannot start. We're done with that. We switched to MSIX, which is the latest deployment from Windows that will be compatible with Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows 12. Windows continue to force, Microsoft continue to force us to go to the App Store. We don't want to go to the App Store, so they gave us a little bit type of window where we can have the same deployment without being on the App Store. That's what's called MSIX. I'm going to show you in this video how to upgrade to MSIX. It's really simple. If you have the VIP open, just close it. And I'm going to need you to go to the website. Let's go back to the website. There we go. Go to downloads. If you're on local database or cloud, local database, I'm going to do cloud. It's the same thing basically. I just need you to download the first one. On the cloud, same thing right here. Just download the first one. Click on open. And the deployment is going to look different right away. You see, it's going to look different. It has a logo different. Everything is different. Click on install. Yes, if it asks you that question. And it's going to say MSIX. It might, in your case, say restore. That's okay. Just click on restore and just log in. It's really simple as that. And under, next to cloud right here or local database, it's going to say MSIX. So that's how you know that everything exactly, basically the same, except that. But we need you to remove the other one though. So let me explain what I'm talking about. So if you go right here, because now you have two apps and you gotta remove the old one. The old one will not gonna get updates anymore. If you go to VIP right here, shop management, there's two VIP shop management. One that has a logo next to it right here and one that doesn't. I need you to remove the one that doesn't. Just click on that, uninstall. And this is the one that has click once application that caused all these problems. So you won't have these problems anymore. Okay. And search after that, search for VIP shop management. Just right click on it and then pin it to taskbar. And then with Windows 11, you can have shortcut. With Windows 10, you cannot have shortcut. Don't ask me why. That's something Windows has to do with it. So Windows 11, yes, you will have a shortcut. Windows 10, you gotta rely on the taskbar. Just pin it to the taskbar and it should be all set. Let me bring myself back here. Exactly the same features. It's just better deployment. Up to date, and you're not gonna. There's no more check for update and stuck on that screen ever again. To check for update, it's different now. Let me show you real quick. It's manual. Just every once in a while, just click on help and check for updates, and it's super fast right now, not like before. So I'm excited. Let's just start 2025. There's so much happened, like I said, between election and holidays, and I'm dealing with a personal issue I can't talk about, but regarding child custody. But other than that, I'm back. We're gonna make VIP shop management even better. I know a lot of people say, Mark, why don't you hire employees? What's my primary goal is keep the price down and continue to make tutorial videos. And we're an online company primarily. I'd rather not have employees from a different country. We're still a first class company, and we'll continue to be like this. My job is primarily to make the app works perfectly, and with the new application, with this new deployment, by the way, even local database is automated. There is no MySQL is embedded into it now. Well, when somebody's stuck, yes, we're always there for you. Until next time, thanks for watching.